Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Johanna, and for those of you who are new here, welcome. And for those of you who are returning, welcome back. Here on my channel, I like to do planner and planner related videos, DIY tutorials, art and journal videos, and the occasional new release video of items that I've listed to my Etsy shop. And if that is of interest to you, please consider subscribing to my channel. And if you hit that little notification bell, you'll always be notified of when I load a new video. Commenting, liking, and sharing does help my channel grow and would be truly appreciated. Okay, it's been a few days. I really wanted to do this on a daily basis, but this weekend was just a no-go for me. So we are doing episode 4 of my arting series. This does help me relieve some stress. It is Monday evening. Now I have to say it's a little bit of a fail. Actually, it's a lot of bit of a fail for me because by rights, the person or the drawing that I should be doing is from Jenn from Nerdy Panda Plans, and I'll link her channel below. She's awesome, and she was the one when I did the random comment generator Friday evening, fully thinking that I was going to draw that evening, and I didn't. She had chosen American Tail, Fievel Goes West, and I'll put a picture here on the screen for you guys. And guys, I can't deal with that right now. That's not a picture that I can focus on for tonight. So what I'm going to do instead is, and Jen, I will do this picture. I promise. I will do it. But what I think I'll do instead is I'm going to do a screenshot of Tom Nook. He is from Animal Crossing. I think that's what it's called. I have the version on my phone. I don't have the Nintendo. I think it's a Switch. I don't know. I don't have it. So I know that the new release just came out last week. She actually had done a really cute spread in her bullet journal regarding Animal Crossing. So I thought, okay, well, I'm not going to do American Tail, but maybe this will be okay in the meantime. And if you don't know, this is Tom Nook, that guy right there. I actually don't know who they are called. If you do know, let me know in the comments section below. So we're gonna draw these guys. I'm hoping that they are simple enough to do. All right. So because there's no lettering that I'm going to do, I am going to try my hardest to talk through this like I like to do with the drawing. And you guys know that this really is more of a stress reliever for me than anything, with everything that's going on. And I think that's why I didn't do it this weekend, because Saturday I actually did a bit of baking and a bit of cooking and laundry. And by the time I was done with all of that, I wasn't feeling doing anything planner related. And then Sunday, I was in a bit of a funk. I was feeling quite sad and overwhelmed by everything that was going on. So today, went to work today. As of tomorrow, I will be working from home. Our mayor did, the mayor of Oahu, and I believe the mayor of Maui, because we do have different mayors for the different outer islands, he did put in a sheltered home, something like that, where only non-essentials should be out and about. Now for my job, because I do work in a college, we actually are considered essentials, but we are going to go on skeleton crew. So I only actually need to go into the office once a week, and then we're just going to divide that between us. And I think that's a really good compromise. Because I work for the state, all of this is new. I mean, typically working from home is quite frowned upon, and so there was really nothing in place on the college level. There wasn't anything in place on the K through 12 level, so it's really just been a quick and steep learning curve for everyone. So day by day things can change, and it's just really just managing the chaos when you don't know what chaos is going to be coming about. I think as planners, it's really difficult for us. I mean, I know it's difficult for everyone right now, but we're so used to reining in all of that chaos and putting in our planners, and not being able to do that, just it makes it really hard for us, because it's not like we can't plan, we just don't know what plans we can make. I don't know if I'm rambling, but I thought this might be easier to do because it really is just some simple shapes. Now, clearly getting things symmetrical is not my forte, but that's okay, right? That's okay. So we're gonna give him an aloha shirt. Very simple to draw. And we'll actually do that one to come up, and like that. And because I don't want this to be so dark, I want it to be a hint, I'll just do this high-tech C. What I typically draw with is the Pigram Micron, because it's waterproof. Which actually doesn't matter because I use crayons, but still, that's why. And clearly his shirt is kind of crooked, but that's okay. I'm pretty sure Tom doesn't mind. You don't mind, do you, Tom? Right? You're okay. You're okay. All right, and then have his arm come that way. And he is pointing. Oh, I think, yeah, I think I did that wrong. Sorry, Tom. And then down like that. Give him some pants. And like that. Okay, okay. And I think that's an apple with a bite out of it. Well, it's hard to tell. Maybe it's a peach. I've only been playing it for like a week or so, but it's a really cute, fun game. Okay, so let's come in with this and draw the palm leaves. Not exactly the right color, but then again, it's also not exactly the right shape, because we're not going to color his shirt in. So it's more like that, and then like that. Now, if you ever were thinking, oh, I want to draw, but I don't know how, that's how I look at it. I know that I could take courses, or I could buy drawing books, but I'm just really interested in the overall shapes, and then just trying to match them together. I don't do anything in pencil first, because I really want to enjoy this. It's not to be perfect. It's just to relieve myself of some of the daily stress. And so if I can just isolate, because basically that's like a fish or a leaf, and you do some of these things there and some things there, and you just keep going for it. And I like the weight of Happy Planner paper. I think it really takes the pen really nicely. Okay, like I said, I don't know what these two little guys with him are called. So we'll do the sort of jelly bean head and the nose. And then this is sort of like the old Nintendo handheld game thing as their eye thingy. I know, so many technical terms here. And big eyes. Big eyes. And these are just half circles. So you guys can see that. And he also has an aloha shirt. And try to get this one more centered. And the lapel, I think that's what that's called. Come down, inner line, and button, pants, and again that thing, it's so small, we don't need to worry about it. And there, and a hand, and it looks like he's holding a flag. So there's that, just a slight little cuff, and we want to do the flag so that we can draw his hand behind it without any intersecting lines. Okay, so that's good. Well, it's good enough for me. Then we'll do the one over here, another jelly bean. And the nose, the Nintendo thingy. And then these eyes are simple because they're closed. And again, half circle, half circle, half circle, half circle, and don't, pants. And the reason I drew that is I want to make this look like it's a picture frame on a wall, and that's just the easiest way for me to do that. And there, and we've got that, and we've got that. So this one's coming down, and this one is coming up and behind, and then the little thing. Now their shirts also have patterns, but I'm not going to do that because it's just it's too small. Plus I don't want to. Let's be honest. That's really the reason. Okay, so we're going to put a tree behind here, and gonna do some leaves. These are palm trees. We have lots of these here in Hawaii. And now that I've said that, I think I did this wrong. Because, yeah, I think that's kind of like that. And kind of like that. And they actually come down to individual fronds, but I mean, it's a picture. You guys get it, right? And yeah, I made a mistake there. Okay, so let's do another one. Oh, but palm trees have this ring around it like that. Okay, well, so let's start how a palm tree starts and come out, and we'll do as many fronds as we can. And that one can go big and then come down like that. And they're not exactly like Harry Potter's scar, but again, we're trying to play badly. All right, so that one, as you can see, I'm crossing the lines, but that's okay. All right, and this is Tom Nook. I'm actually going to write it here. Tom Nook. I'm going to put you guys on fast forward while I color this. Oh, it looks like this is water from what you, I don't know if there's a glare, but there's like little peaks back there. So maybe I can recreate that with some colors and things. All right, once I'm done, guys, I will bring you back and we will talk. All right, guys, so that's my rendition. Not the greatest rendition. He seems like, dude, are you done yet? Are you done yet? Seriously? Seriously, but are you done yet? No, but seriously, are you done yet? It did seem like quite a bit of coloring to do. And it's not, it hasn't escaped me that I'm essentially just making my own coloring page. But there's just something for me about just trying to recreate things on paper and the results. Because he's like, seriously, but though, are you done yet? And he's like, I don't know why I'm here. And he's like, hey. At least that's the story it's telling me. Now, because crayons are waxy, when I put the Kuretake pen on top of it, which is not made for, some of it came off on my fingers. I don't know if you can tell, but then the rest of it seems to be staying. So we'll see when I open this up the next time I do a drawing in here. And because I can't see their pants, I'm just going to assume they're wearing white pants. I mean, that goes with everything, right? All right, so do you guys play Animal Crossing? Do you know who Tom Nook is? And more importantly, do you know the name of his friends? Because I have absolutely no idea. And I could check here, but I don't want to. And where my game is on what I'm filming with. All right, guys, Bucky and I had fun tonight. I hope you guys did too. And as always, aloha.